Job of the day. Customer says he's having issues with his lights on the rear of this trailer. We got good marker lights up on top, good marker lights there, good marker lights passenger side rear. Nothing on the back. That is odd. Let's just turn on, let's do left turn, see what we got on left turn. We got a good left turn. Right turn on. We got a good right turn. How about both brake lights? Yeah, both brake lights. So we're not getting good marker lights. Let's find where that harness is. Is that light on? They have the side markers wired into brakes. Looks like it. Okay. No, they don't. We got something wrong with the wiring. We got something going on with the wiring here. We got electrical tape inside this. Let's see what glory awaits us. White to white, red to red, black, brown to brown. Yeah, that looks all good. Dive into this terminal box. Let's see what's going on in this terminal box. I think last time I looked at this box, everything was just smashed in there. Yep. So we got wires falling out of these wire nuts. So let's figure it out. I got everything to work now. I'm pretty sure the wire nuts were making bad connections. So all I did was move the wire nuts and everything starts to work. Turn brake lights on. Yeah, brake lights are on. All right. It was just that terminal box where all the wire nuts are doing their thing. So let's clean up this wiring. Good, I got stuff working now. Left turn, right turn works. The rear works. Just the wire nuts. I'm gonna throw butt connectors on instead of wire nuts. We got wiring re-butt connected. We got left turn on. Left turn is on and good. Turn on right turn. Right turn is on and good. My goodness, it's windy today. Tail lights. Good, tail lights on. Yes. 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 All tail lights are on. Yes. Front is on. That one's on. Perfect. Okay, all wiring is butt connected now. There's no loose wiring. I need to shrink wrap these butt connectors. I literally can't get these wire nuts off. They have, I think, like 3 8-gauge wires that are going in there. 10 gauge. Is it 10 gauge? I think it's 8. I got all the wire. It was just a wire nut bad connection. But it's all working now. And shrink wrapping all the butt connectors, and I'm gonna try and shove it back in this terminal box. Alright, all wiring is butt connected, shrunk wrap, and I'm gonna tuck it back in here and then retest off his truck and off the tester. Terminal box is back together. Let's double check everything. Tail lights are working. Good. They're all working on the rear now. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. I just have brake lights on. Yes, these were on last time. I think there was a wire connecting something, but I got it fixed. Let's test off his truck. Put this back together, test off his truck. All right, I got truck marker lights on. Yes, that's working. Yes. Yes, all lights are working. Good, all marker lights are working. Let's do left turn, right turn. And good, I got emergencies working, which means the brakes are working, and left turn and right turn are working. Truck lights work. I'm putting everything back together now. All right, everything's back together. The issue was those wire nuts, and the wires were loose inside of it. So I deleted the wire nuts and put shrink wrap butt connectors on everything, and everything works now off his truck, and it works off my tester. So he can go camping and not have to worry about his lights not working on the rear. This job's done. I'm on to the next.